Good. Perfect. That one was right. So the first thing that I do, same way as I motion palpated through his lower back, that's what I'm doing here, is just motion palpating through the segments of his neck, seeing what areas feel restricted. When I press on this spot down here at the bottom on the right side, it feels a little tight, like it's not moving like it should be. It might be a little tender for Drew when I press there. So that's what we're gonna correct. Just gonna have him turn his head. Little contact here. Good. Perfect. And then same thing on the upper cervical spine on his left side here. Good. Little push. That one was